Faster than legacy mechanical switches. Razer Optical switches use light-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 30% shorter actuation distance than other clicky switches at 1.5 mm, with satisfying, clicky feedback. Ultimate personalization gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality. Aluminum construction. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Keycaps-Regular ABS. Ergonomic. Magnetic wrist rest. Made of plush leatherette to maximize comfort over extended gaming sessions, with built-in underglow lighting. Fully programmable macro support. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Unrivaled durability. Supports up to 100 million clicks with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, double the lifespan of most competitor keyboards. Top reviews from the United States. Optical is key, love it. You'd think it was standard mechanical, but somehow, faster. This is it, the cream of the crop. The feedback is perfect. The optical switches are insanely fast. I am typing on it now to write this review, and I am not one bit disappointed in my review. Sure, I am getting used to it coming from my Dell laptop built-in keyboard, but I am almost perfect within an hour. The media keys make it that much better and more desirable. Don't pass this up.